Do you listen when you're being given feedback? Do you really listen? It's all too easy when you've asked somebody for feedback just to let it wash over you, or just to go, no, okay, yeah. Just stop telling me about what you like. Tell me what you didn't like. Too many people concentrate on the negative around receiving feedback. So I think you need to be an active listener when receiving feedback. So you shut up and listen. Ideally, I would just take notes. If you're sat in a meeting room or a cafe or whatever, take notes. Do not ask for feedback straight after your presentation. Make sure this is sometime later, and hopefully you've pre-primed your feedback giver with the things you want feedback on. But I think it's important to make sure you are listening properly. Don't skip over the good stuff. Hear it, accept it, and then ask them about what else you could have done. What could you have done differently? Maybe what didn't work as well as it should have done. And if you ask that all-important question about what did you take away as my call to action or my key message, listen very carefully to how that person words it. Because it may well be that they take away the right message, but actually word it in more everyday language than you were using during the presentation itself. And that can be a really useful way to find new language to use. Listen to the language your audience uses and adopt it, rather than maybe going for a slightly more formal presentation style. It's a really useful tip that to listen to what your audience does and sort of parrot it back. So to listen to feedback, go somewhere quiet, meeting room, cafe, wherever. Don't try not to do it walking down a corridor. You won't be listening properly. Make sure you've got the full attention of the person who's giving you the feedback. And ideally, take notes. Take notes of what they said that was good. Take notes of what they said you maybe could change. And if you are in the rehearsal process right now, try and adopt it there and then. There's a good reason why I often use the adage, rehearse, critique, hone, repeat. It's rehearse, critique, hone, repeat. Rehearse your presentation, critique it, and whether that's you critiquing it or ideally getting somebody else to give you the feedback, hone it, make the changes they've suggested, and then repeat it still at the rehearsal stage. And you might even go through that 2 or 3 times to really hone the presentation to make it as good as it can be. So listen to the feedback, listen to the good stuff, work on the stuff that needs to be changed, and that will make you a better presenter. If you want more tips on presenting, pitching, public speaking, and particularly around giving and receiving feedback on those presentations, please do like and subscribe.